Welcome back, guys. This is our new video about this 1994 turbo Nissan Skyline. In this video, we are going to weld a side panel. Don't forget to subscribe, click like button and write a comment below. I appreciate it. Enjoy your watching. So, before the welding, we need to apply a primer. I want to use epoxy primer, and before that I need to sand in the panels. So I wanted to start doing this. Let's go. So this is my seat belt fastening. Here it goes like this. We wanted to apply the primer here and weld it to this panel. We use special primer, special for welding, U-Pole made. So yeah. Slack!
Oh.
Stop sanding! Slack! So Slack sanded these places where we need to weld. So, what do you think? Okay! So I applied the primer to the outer side panel and I drilled holes for the spot welding. Yes? Spot welding?
Welding holes.
Welding holes, okay. And also I cut this place because I want to make this place new. So we can start welding. Yeah. Are you ready?
No.
Yeah. No? Why?
I want to eat.
Where is pizza?
Where is my pizza?
We began the final preparation for welding. The most difficult thing about this place was that it was necessary to create this place out of nothing. The body was very rusty and the power elements simply disappeared. But I think that we managed to do no worse than what was done at the factory.
So we finally installed side panel, outer side panel, and see something like that.
Okay.
It's okay. Here is okay. Here is okay, and here is okay. At this moment we don't know how to do this place because The side panel is going straight, but the fender is going with some angle, so we don't know how to do this place. And we think that when the over fenders and side skirts came to our garage, we will install it and see how we can weld this place and then weld it. Yes? Yes. So a few moments later we create this corner. Look at this, I think it's pretty good. We need to weld these spots and weld this side too. I think it's look great. What do you think? Please write in the comments below. I need your support. Please click the like button and subscribe to the channel also. So in the end we have this result. I think it looks great. It looks pretty. I love it. So what do you think, guys? Please write in comments. The next episode, I think we need to start cutting and welding the floor. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.